Welcome to Sugar and Spice. My name is Melissa Randall from Baking with Melissa, and today I'm showing you a how-to on layered whipped cream brownies. Before I started, I went ahead and made my brownies in advance. Let your brownies cool completely, and while they're cooling, you can work on your different layers for the brownies. First, we're gonna start off with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 2 cups of powdered sugar. And you'll go ahead and mix the 2 of those together until it's nice and smooth. You'll know it's done when it's nice and smooth and creamy inside. Once you have that all mixed together, you're going to add in 1 cup of whipped topping, and you're just gonna fold that into your mixture. I'm mixing that up there, not beating it, I'm just kind of folding it in. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and layer that onto the already cooled brownies. So we'll take our mixture, place it right on the brownie, and spread. Then you're gonna go ahead and make your pudding mixture, which I've already made mine. And basically all I did was used 1 instant chocolate pudding mix, and I just made it according to the package directions, which just basically says mix it with 2 cups of milk. And then you'll just put it in the refrigerator while you're spreading this on top. So you'll just put that in the refrigerator for just a few minutes to let it congeal just a bit. And then you're gonna pour some of the pudding right on top of the cream cheese layer. I already took my brownies out of the pan, so I'm gonna have a little bit of drip action going on, but that's all right. Now you'll just place the remaining whipped topping on the top and go ahead and spread it evenly. Now what you want to do is put this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours to really let it firm up, and that way when you cut into it, you'll see all the nice layers. And that is a how-to on layered whipped cream brownies. Thank you so much for joining me here today on Sugar and Spice. My name is Melissa Randall from Baking with Melissa, and I hope you have a wonderful baking day.